This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Ernesto Caldeira. 3344 is located in a desirable area of uptown New Orleans with easy access to the interstate known as Fountainbleau. Built just before World War II, great curb appeal, solidly constructed small home with floor plan that has style and convenience loaded with windows and light. The ground floor is open, lots of windows. The ceilings are 10 feet high. The 3 bedrooms are all on the second floor. 3344 has been well maintained, a new roof this year, off-street parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Ernesto Caldeira at 504-944-3605.